Or maybe. Wait, I was so confused until the end.
I love you, baby.
This food is gonna get cold.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to Simply Hausa. I'm Jamila.
Amina.
So we're introducing another family member. This is Maryam.
Yeah. So, how many extracurricular activities are you involved in? Sports, extra school
I
stuff?
do like volleyball. I'm gonna start soccer. I just finished volleyball. And then what else?
Okay, volleyball, soccer.
Oh, I did softball in the summer. That was fun.
What's gymnastics?
Oh yeah. Oh.
She does so many.
And then running, cross
Oh
country.
yeah. I'm training for half marathon.
Ooh. Wait, what?
13.1 miles.
Wow.
13.1.
Oh my god!
Gotta bring home a medal. We're gonna disown you.
Interesting. Anyways, today we're doing the
Spicy ramen challenge.
spicy noodle 2 times spicy challenge. So we're skipping the whole.
Times 2.
It's not even 1. It's
What?
times
Really?
2.
I don't think it's
You know
I
why?
agreed to
I feel like
this.
it's gross spicy. Like,
Girl, you African. First of all, you
No, but I
Nigerian.
feel like
it's second of all. Let me tell you what this girl does. Every single time we used to make food,
anything we eat, literally can be anything. Like, watch it be cereal. She'd be like,
yaji. Like,
she adds like not even like a
yaji
tiny
is-
bit.
she puts like
A bunch.
me yaji. Koyasa mi yaji. It's literally red crushed
It's seed
peppers.
Like,
and so basically it's like
we should have
the red peppers that's dried out and then pounded, and then
dried.
you add like salt and maggi and whatever, ginger sometimes, and it's the most delicious thing
You
in
like
the
have
world.
it with everything.
Yeah,
But I
it
think
starts to
you said
get
now
too
you don't.
intense.
I just feel like
No,
we
okay,
have a
yeah. So
table
in
right
our
now?
last video, we said we're going to do some kind of a celebration thing for our 1,000. So this is basically our challenge. Yeah. Dude,
That's part of it.
Looks weird.
Okay, so
Do you guys
wait,
think it's equal?
what are we
It's
doing?
really not. She has a lot. I'll have yours.
I have some of yours, bro. I'm salivating. Just like
It does seem good. Okay, wait, who wants mine?
It smells really
Let me
good.
get
actually.
some.
Okay, so
okay. You're gonna do the ready set go thing.
okay, so we're gonna do a competition on who eats this food the
like
fastest.
the fastest. But I'm gonna eat. I swear.
Who eats this food the fastest?
Okay.
It smells so good.
So
Can we
Sakina,
go?
say start.
Okay, what are now? Bro.
I need some water.
Wait, if you drink, are you out?
Yeah.
Oh. Never mind.
Wait.
Nah, come on.
Ice cream to cool.
Come on, guys. That was not that bad.
I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Like, I thought it was gonna be that bad.
That was really bad.
People are gonna be like,
That hit me. Yap, ko ne irin yaji.
Come on, like, kusan san kwa?
Like irin attaruhu guda 15.
Hey,
Yeah.
that does. Cause
shout out to the brother. Buy some ice cream.
he got chocolate.
Dude, chocolate is the best.
I don't know. I'm so weird. I don't like chocolate.
Yeah.
I don't understand why.
Why can I cheat? You can cheat back here. So.
So Maryam, 今天我们才你去玩去的 Hausa。
Nietzsche, Maryam. What else?
Ke ce Maryam ke yar ina ce?
You know?
Daga ina kike? Daga ina aka haife?
Nigeria.
Sun faɗa da Hausa. Sunana Maryam daga Nigeria. Ni ina son cin abinci.
She looks so fat.
Okay, so we're gonna do items for her.
Items.
Maryam, menene wannan da Hausa?
Boli. Na zan ce kopium.
Kwano.
You are helping her. I see you with your mouth over there.
Oh,
the cameraman. What abu na gani? But okay. What is book?
Littafi.
What is shirt?
Riga.
What's shoe?
Takalmi.
What's university?
Okay. What? Who's? Huh? That's so random.
Okay, what's school?
Makaranta.
University is Jamia.
Why are you laughing, bro? Do I have something on my face?
Um,
Oh, she doesn't know it.
what's the world?
You do kind of get. This like the chip. When they add again, they touch you. Come on.
What's the world?
Everybody.
It's. I feel like I know this.
D.
D.
U.
It's the same as in
N.
Arabic.
What's it? I don't know.
D-U-N-I.
Dunya.
Oh!
Thanks for
I think you
this.
spelled it out.
Bro, yeah, the thing
Technically.
the thing I can't do is like read Hausa. Like I'm like
Oh, really?
like
I had to learn it. What's bag?
Oh, bro, I know this. Oh, I know this though. Like I don't know, bro.
Ja.
What's school bag?
School bag.
Ja.
I don't know.
Jaka.
Jakar
makaranta is for school.
Yeah.
What's
Let's try
foot?
to give you hints. Oh, foot.
What's foot?
I know it though. Like what's the letter?
It's a K, but like a curved K,
Ka.
like a Q.
Kacha. Kappa. Right. See, I know that.
I think we're hearing something. Something is telling her the answer.
I know. I hear it.
Something.
This girl hungry.
Bro, I think
Yeah, look what
Dude, our camera person is asking us for the ice cream.
Yeah,
Should
look
we
what
give
you
it
got
to her?
going on.
She didn't eat the suffering that we had to suffer.
Okay, Maryam, thank you for being in our video. Thank you for joining the challenge with us and learning some Hausa words.
My lips feel so fat. Okay.
And tune in next time when we introduce another family member
I know.
who shall be nameless until time.
Until time.
Say that side.
Oh, peace.
You know, I do.
Share the love.
Or do you know this thing where it's like, look.
Also, what's this?
Burr, burr, ma, 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 ma.
Hello. Shamila, bro. Okay.